Morning, folks. Farming's Nature's Way here. Robin asked me to make her sour cream box to keep warm. She said it needed to be between 78 and 72, 68 degrees. So this is what I came up with. This is one of my grow mats. This is a nuke from a bee box. We're holding right at, I don't know, 79, 80 degrees. This is her sour cream that she's got going. 24 hours to hold it between 72, 78 degrees to adjust the heat. The only thing I did was pulled this heat mat out until I got the right temperature. Like and subscribe if you like these ideals. We have a lot of them. Thank you. Happy New Year.